Hello friends, let us continue with our R tutorials. Today we will learn about using of variables in R after we have created the variables. Basically, we can use the variables we have created in R for different mathematical operations. But for today, let us see how we can do addition, subtraction, division, and the multiplication in R. For today, we will start with the numerical variables, and later on we shall see how we can do on character variables. And to begin, let's start with the addition. The hash symbol is for commenting. So if you use this hash is for comment, then all the words which will come after this will be regarded as a comment. So let's start with addition. Let's say we have x1, then we assign this to 5, and then we have x2, then we assign this to 10. So if we add x1 plus x2, if we run all this, we will get 15. It is true that if you add 5 plus 10 is 15. So if you see here, x1 and x2, they have appeared on this side, on the environment side, but our result has appeared on our console. If we want to store our result into another variable, then we have to specify here, like we want to store our result into Q. Then we have to say Q, then we assign x1 plus x2. Then if we execute this, now you see here Q is equal to 15, but it didn't appear on our R console. The result didn't appear on our console. So if we want to get the result, what is inside Q, then we can use a function. This function is called print. If you use print Q, then if you run this, you will get 15. So print can be used to provide what is inside your variable. Next is let us see how we can do subtraction. Let's say we have y1. In deciding the name of these variables, you can choose any letter to assign these variables. Y1 is equal to 12, and then y2 is equal to 9. So if you take, let's say, y1 minus y2, if you run this, you will get 3. So 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. Also, another one, let's see how we can do division. Let's say we have our object, our variable called R, then we assign it to 40, let's say 40, and then another one is S, we assign it to 20. So if we do R divided by S, if we execute this, we will get 2. To clear these variables in your R environment, there is this brush here. If you click this brush here, we will clear all the variables or objects. Sometimes we call them objects. So if you click this brush, will clear all. Then also, as well as if you want to clear your console, there are this brush here. If you click this, will clear all the operations that you have done. Our next steps is to see how we can do multiplication. Let's say we have x, we assign 8, and then we have y, we assign this 9. And let's say we want our result to be stored into a variable, another variable or object called z. So we say z, we assign it to x, then we use star. And star represents multiplication times y. Then we use print if we want to get the result for z. So if you select all and run, you will get your result. Here is 72, and all the variables have been stored in your R environment. So guys, for the multiplication, division, and subtraction and addition for the numerical variables, this is the way to go about. Last thing we can see here is how to use characters, how we can add characters. Let's say you have a character called greetings. In your greetings, you have hello. These quotations, we use quotations for string or character variables. Another one is name. The name is equal to Bob. And then if to add characters in R, we use a function called paste. So paste greetings, comma, name. If we run this, you will get on your R console that hello Bob. If you want to store the result into another object or variable, you can provide here, let's say p. You can provide p is equal to paste greetings, comma, names. If you run this, you'll get your object stored in your R environment, hello Bob. If you want to get what is inside p, then you can use print function, then you provide p. If you print this, you run this, you will get on your R console hello Bob. So within R, there are functions which are inbuilt. There are a different number of functions which are inbuilt inside. So in another class or tutorial, we shall see different functions in R and how we can use them to do our different operations. Thank you guys, and if it's your first time into this channel, please subscribe, share, and drop your comment. Thank you.